Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will review Bloom and Bond pumpkin seed oil. Okay, you should buy their supplement or not. Does their supplement really work or it just another new scam? Okay, so the first thing I want to tell you, like the brand is approx 1 year from now. Okay, in the terms of presentation the brand is looking like a legit one, but there is a problem also, and we will also discuss about what is the main problem. The main problem of this brand is like subscription model. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you that you can check out their reviews on Trustpilot, and this is the profile, and this is the Trustpilot profile of this brand, like Bloom and Bond. So you can check out their negative reviews. Their negative reviews, most of the negative reviews is complaining for subscription model. There is a unauthorized subscription model. You can see unauthorized subscription model. When you place your order, there is a option at the very bottom side like save 25% with auto refills. When you choose this option, when you forget to untick the option, they will activate subscription on your account, and and you have to pay lots of fees in the form of subscription. This is the only problem. So if we talk about like product will really work or not, so basically if you are going to buy their pumpkin seed oil for your hair and for your, you can say like scalp, then these kind of supplements will not give you so much results, and you have to take these kind of supplements from a long period of time, and taking and using the long period of time these kind of supplements is very expensive. Okay, so my suggestion is only this: if you really want to buy their subscription, their, you can like product, you can go on Amazon.com. Their product is also available on Amazon.com. You can choose this option, or you can do one thing. There are lots of options available in the market, like pumpkin seed oil now is, you know, very popular brand, and they are also available, the same product they are also providing. You can choose these kind of options also. There are so many product available in the market with good discounted prices. You can choose any brand. All brand will provide you same kind of results. You can choose anyone. Okay, so these are the things. Now if we talk about you should buy or not, definitely my suggestion is no. If you really want to buy this brand's product, you can go on Amazon.com and you can buy on Amazon.com. This is the safe, you can like safe purchase for you. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. If you have any experience, you can also share your experience in our comment section. Your comment is a real review. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.